classy, bougie, ratchet.
Hello, beautiful, wonderful people. So this video is going to be a product photo video. Yes. So as I am right now, okay, get into that. Creating photos for my Instagram, okay. I decided why not come to the people and go ahead and show the people how I create my product photos. And I'm sorry I keep turning the phone all around. I'm just trying to let y'all get these good angles. So yes, so this is actually my backdrop. I know you all, if you have been following my channel, you recognize my backdrop. Listen, okay? Small business 101. Use what you got to get what you want, okay? So this beautiful backdrop is serving as a backdrop, okay, for my organic glosses. So this is our newest addition to the product line here at Big Doe Hair Extensions, which everything will be going under the umbrella of Big Doe Beauty Co., which is why I just was, you know what I'm saying, progressive, proactive, and went ahead and put it on our yummy organic lip glosses, okay? So you can literally get as creative as you like to with product photos. I actually have a great time doing product photos because it just allows me to just kind of do whatever I want to do. But I took a mirror that I already had and I used my backdrop. I put my business card in here and I just kind of set it up how I wanted to. So check this out. This will be like a fire photo. Watch this. Snap. Like, I love this. Okay, so I'm going to turn y'all to another setup just to show you guys different things you can do to create product photos. Give me 1 second. Okay, so this is like, hold on, a runner that I use when I'm actually doing vending events, but I sometimes use it for my photos as like a little backdrop. So let me fix our lighting. Let me grab our ring light. Put some light on the situation. Okay. So literally, there is like so much you can do when it comes to creating product photos. Really, like, get as creative as you like. Like, make it fun. Like, and I see a lot of people on Instagram kind of just taking the same type of photos. Like, try to get out of the habit of doing that if you're doing that and do something, like, do your own thing. Seriously, do your own thing. And again, I'm just showing you all those good old angles. This is the bag that our glosses come in. Cute little mesh drawstring bags. Really cute. And for this, I would even, hold on. I have like this, if I can, oh, it's right next to me. I have this bag of diamonds that I actually purchased off of Amazon. And I can actually put the link, actually, I will put the link to these things down below so that y'all can know where to get some really cute, inexpensive little props for your product photos. And this, like, it doubles as like a prop, but you can also slip your business card in here because there is a slit. Like, let me show you. And we're back. Sorry about that, you all. I was experiencing some technical difficulties, but we're back like we never left, okay? So this is setup number 2. So right here, this marble cloth that you're seeing, it really is a table runner that I actually use on my vendor table when I do vendor events. But right now, it's a background, okay, for the glosses. So yes, I just wanted to show you guys that you can literally be as creative as you want. I wanted to show you guys, you know, some different options that you have as far as creating backdrops. So I hope you found this video really useful, really helpful, and I can't wait to see what you guys have done. So go ahead and drop in the comments your little backdrops, and I will talk to y'all later.